Hi, I'm Sherry Borshoff. Welcome to my podcast today. We're taking on the topic of hobby versus business, how the IRS decides and why it should matter to you. Listen up, entrepreneurs, side hustlers, creatives, consultants, and anyone who wants to deduct expenses or report income from a small venture. Are you running a real business, or does the IRS think it's just a hobby? The distinction can be the difference between being able to write off your expenses or losing those deductions entirely. I'm an enrolled agent and a tax strategist, and today I'm going to break down how the IRS determines whether your activity is a hobby or a business and how you can protect your deductions. Let's start with why it even matters. If the IRS classifies your activity as a hobby, you can't deduct your losses. But if it's a business, you're allowed to deduct any expenses that are ordinary and necessary. And even if you have a loss in the early years, and that loss could help offset other income, lowering your tax bill, it's better to have that determination that you're running it like a business than running it like a hobby. I'm going to share with you how the IRS decides. They use 9 key factors to determine whether your activity is real business. They'll look at, do you run it like a business in a business manner? Do you keep records? Do you have a business bank account? And do you operate it with a plan? Do you put time and effort into making it profitable? Do you depend on the income? Have you changed methods to improve its profitability? Do you have experience, or do you consult professionals? Have you made profits in similar ventures before? Does the activity show a history of profit? The benchmark is 3 to 5 years. Do you expect to make money on the asset appreciation? Are there personal motives? Do you do it to generate income, or are you just doing it for fun and happen to make money doing it? No single factor is decisive, but the more boxes you check, the stronger your case will be. Here are some hobby examples versus business examples. Let's say you like to make handmade jewelry. If you track inventory, market your products, reinvest profits, and show a plan to grow, it's likely a business. If you make jewelry occasionally for fun and sell it on the side, it could be a hobby. Another example would be photography. Say you like shooting weddings on the weekends. If you do it with a business license, posting photos on Instagram or occasional profits sold. The latter is probably a hobby. If you have a business license, you're more likely to have it be considered a business. The pitfall is you could lose your deductions. The good news is you protect yourself by documenting everything. You should use a bookkeeping software. You should keep receipts. You should maintain a business account. Write a simple business plan, even if it's just 1 page. Treat it like a business, and the IRS is more likely to agree with you. If you're earning money on the side, or you've just launched a business, don't leave it up to the IRS to decide what it is. Book a strategy session at bastionbusinesstax.com, and let's make sure you're set up to be protected. And if this clarified anything for you, hit like and subscribe, and check out my next video, what you can and can't deduct as a business expense. It's the perfect follow-up topic to this video. Thanks for watching.